I was driving across the burning desert when I spotted 6 jet planes leaving 6 white vapor trails across the bleak terrain, like the hexagram of the heavens, like the strings of this guitar. Amelia, it was just a false alarm. The drone of flying engines is a song so wild and blue. It scrambles time and seasons if it gets through to you. Then your life becomes a travelogue of picture postcard charms. Amelia, it was just a false alarm. People will tell you where they've gone, and they'll tell you where to go, but till you get there yourself, you never really know. Where some have found a paradise, others just come to harm. Amelia, it was just a false alarm. I wish that he was here tonight. It's so hard to obey his sad request of me to kindly stay away. So this is how I hide the hurt, as the road leads cursed and charmed. I tell Amelia it was just a false alarm. Ghost of aviation, she was swallowed by the sky or by the sea. Like me, she had a dream to fly, like Icarus ascending on beautiful foolish arms. Amelia, it was just a false alarm. Maybe I've never really loved. I guess that is the truth. I've spent my whole life in clouds at icy altitudes, and looking down on everything, I crashed into his arms. Amelia, it was just a false alarm. a street motel to shower off the dust, and I slept on the strange pillows of my wanderlust. I dreamed of 747s over geometric farms. Dreams, familiar dreams, and false alarms. Slip away.